Yo, 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 what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, and we back in the building with another watch unboxing. And right now, we gonna be unboxing this right here, okay? Longines. Get into it, people.
Once again, it's on to the road. To the road.
Yo, 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 and here we go, people, the unboxing of this Longines. So let's check it out. Let's see what's up in here, yo. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's check it on out. Pull him on out, yo. There it is. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now, let's see what else is in this box, of course. Check out the, ooh, shoot. Look at this. Look at that big book. Operations manual, instructions for use. And the back, of course, got the warranty card and all that. You know what I mean? Yo, it's about to be the bomb, yo. So let's go ahead and open him up right quick. Let's get into it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the Longines Conquest quartz model. You know what I mean? Yo, let's take it out and take a good look at it, yo. Look at this. That is super duper fly. You know what I mean? Swiss made, sapphire crystal, and I believe the crown is screw down. Yes, it is. Yep, it's screw down. Yep. Yes, sir. There it is. Crown is out. Let's go ahead and just wrap it back up right quick. You know what I mean? Got the Longines logo on there. This is not a bad strap at all. The butterfly clasp on it. Yo, this is the bomb shiggity. So you know what, right now, let's try him on the wrist and see what's up with it. And here we go, good folks. On the wrist, the Longines Conquest, yo. This thing is extra flat, extra dapper. You understand? Get into it, yo. Again, this leather strap feels great. Or is that sailcloth? No, that's leather. It's leather for sure. You know what I mean? But it'll look nice on the sailcloth strap. So let's get into it, yo. This is the unboxing of this Longines Conquest. You know what I'm saying? This your boy P. Ross. Happy New Year to everybody. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we up out of here. Peace.